In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack huddle. If you've ever joined a huddle and then wondered how to quietly step out without disrupting the conversation, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll feel completely comfortable leaving any huddle, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Let's start with the basics. A huddle in Slack is an informal, audio-based conversation that happens inside a specific channel or direct message. So, before you can leave a huddle, you first need to locate where it's happening. Look at your Slack sidebar, where all your channels and direct messages are listed. The huddle will be tied to one of these spaces. You'll usually see a small icon or indicator next to the channel or DM name, showing that a huddle is currently active. This might look like a small headphone or wave icon, or you might see a subtle highlight that tells you there's an ongoing conversation there. Click into that channel or direct message. Once you're inside, you should see the huddle interface at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device and Slack's layout. It typically appears as a small bar or panel showing your profile picture and the other people currently in the huddle. If you're already connected, you might also see audio indicators, like moving dots or waveforms, showing who's speaking. Now that you've located the huddle, the next step is to actually leave it. Within that huddle interface, look for a button labeled Leave, or an icon that represents leaving or disconnecting. This might be a simple text button that says Leave, or a phone or hang-up style icon, often highlighted so it stands out from the rest of the controls. When you're ready, click or tap that Leave button. As soon as you do, Slack will disconnect you from the huddle. You'll stop transmitting audio and you won't hear anything from the huddle anymore. You'll still remain in the channel or direct message itself, so you can continue to read and send messages as usual. You've just exited the live audio portion. That's all there is to it. First, find the huddle in the channel or DM where it's happening, and then use the Leave button in the huddle interface to disconnect. With this simple process, you can join and exit huddles confidently whenever you need